Welcome, girls, to a time to review ways to subtract. How many ways are there to subtract? There are 1, 2, and 3 ways. And that's what's beautiful about math. You can choose then from the 3 which one you are going to use. But first, we are going to go and see what a subtraction equation looks like. As I told you, we are going to first look at a subtraction equation. How do we read it, and what do we need to do when we see the symbol of subtraction? What do we use to subtract? We use minus. Minus means that we have to take away to see how many are left. So I'm going to make here a subtraction equation using minus, and as the same in addition, equals. Because here we are going to see how many are left. So with my numbers that I have here, I'm going to choose to make a subtraction equation. So I'm going to say 7 minus 4 equals. So what are they asking? They are asking that from 7 we have to take away 4. And that will give me as an answer 3. How do we read this? 7 minus 4 equals 3. So 3 are the elements that are left. And now we're going to learn the 3 strategies that are going to help us subtract. Let's go. First strategy. The first strategy that we're going to learn to subtract is by taking away. We are going to do this? First, I'm going to write my subtraction equation. So, I'm going to choose 6, remember, minus 4 equals, and we're going to find out how many we're going to take away and how many are left. So, as I always told you, you need to have something to count. You can use snap cubes, you can use beans, you choose what you have at home. In my case, I have counters. So, what am I going to do? Which is the first amount I need to have? 6. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So I'm going to put them here for you to see that we need 6 at the beginning, because we're going to take how many away? 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now we're going to take away 4. I take away 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2. So, 2 are left. So how do we read this subtraction equation? 6 minus 4 equals 2. If you don't have counters and you want to draw, I recommend you to use something easy to draw. So I'm going to draw circles. How many circles do I need to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many do I have to take away? 4. So you're going to use a cross to show how many you are taking away. So look what I'm going to do. I have to take away 4. So I cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are left? 1 and 2. So I write number 2. See? This is an easy way to subtract. If you like it, use this strategy. Let's go and learn the other one. Second strategy. We are going to count back. What means to count back? It means that we're going to count one less each time. Okay? So I'm going to give you an example of a subtraction equation and how we're going to solve this subtraction equation by counting back. 7 minus 4 equals, I don't know. We're going to find out by counting back. So where do I have to begin in the numbers to count back? This number will tell you where to begin. And that number is, yes, 7. So I will make a dot so that I can see and not forget that I'm going to start from number 7. And remember, we count back one less each time. So what number is going to tell me how many times I'm going to count back? Number 4. So we're going to count back 4 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to which number did we get? 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, and we are getting to the end. We're going to learn the third way to subtract. Let's see. The third way to subtract is by using a number bond. So I'm going to write again a subtraction equation so that we can practice solving it using the number bonds. So I'm going to do 8 minus 3 equals. What is important to understand here? Remember that in a number bond we have the whole and the parts? Well, I want to tell you where we are going to put these numbers in the number bond. Number 8 is the whole because it's the group where we are going to take away. So number 8 is going to go in the whole. And number 3, what is it? Yes, it's one of the parts. So I will write it here because it's one of the parts. And we need to find how many are left. 8 minus 3 equals, and we're going to find out. 8, and we know that one part is 3. So I'm going to show you with my counters how we're going to solve this. Remember that you can also use it at home. So how many were at the beginning? 8. Yes, my whole. I will count if I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, I was lucky. I took a tower of 8 snap cubes. Okay, so what is the part that I already know? 3. And what do I have to do? Take it away. I take it away. And I hide it. And this is how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in my number bond, I know now that 5 are left. Remember, girls, always, always, always use the counters so that you can touch, move, see, take away to find out how many are left. So, this is amazing. Your brain is going to learn and make more connections. And as I always tell you, use it and practice because you're going to make it stronger. And now, go to the printables below and practice on the worksheets. Good luck, and I hope that you can continue learning ways to subtract. Here you have the 3 strategies together with the subtraction 4 minus 2. You have by taking away, counting back, and using number bonds.